Inside AgentQ chat, you'll now see two modes: regular chat and visual feedback. Switch to visual feedback, and your live app preview becomes interactive. One of the hardest parts of building software with AI is explaining what needs to change. The button below this, the section after scrolling, it gets messy fast. That's why we built visual feedback in QwikBuild. Visual feedback lets you request changes simply by clicking directly on your app preview. No long explanations, just point and describe. Buttons, sections, cards, or layouts, anything. Once you click, QwikBuild pins a comment directly onto that exact element. You can continue pinning comments across multiple screens and workflows. Every comment captures the exact location and element context, so AgentQ knows exactly what you're referring to. Once you're done, click Apply Comments. QwikBuild combines all feedback into one structured update. AgentQ then reads the files, executes the code, and deploys the changes automatically. Instead of explaining where something is, just show it. Visual feedback makes app iteration feel natural and visual, only on QwikBuild.